Hi, this is Kevin with Subaru Puyallup. We're going to do check engine light on a Legacy today, what to do if you have one, what it looks like when it's on the dash. So if you want to take a look at the instrument cluster there, you'll see that we've got the check engine light on. This one happens to be flashing. Now if you were to have a check engine light on the road, it's no need to panic. If the check engine light is on solid, you just want to make an appointment with your Subaru dealer as soon as you can. If the check engine light is flashing like it is in this instance, there's something mechanically wrong with the car, and we want to pull the car over and have it towed to the nearest dealer immediately. It is not recommended to drive it if the check engine light is flashing.